Welcome to Homework Lib.
How to convert propane to 2-butanol benzene, and that's its structure. So the strategy is we can generate nucleophile from propane and then use the second part as substrate or alkyl halide and run a reaction with substitution as N2. So we can generate this nucleophile by deprotonating propane with a strong enough base, such as sodium amide. And then we'll run an SN2 reaction with benzyl bromide. And that's how we can achieve this synthesis.